Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of shiny metallic text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. You can change the direction of shadow, and the best thing is you can also edit the text or use your logo. You can download this project file absolutely for free. The download link will be in the comment section. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop, and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, the size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. Let's drag and drop this leather texture image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download these kind of images from Envato Element. They have 7-day free trial, so if you wanna check them out, click on the link in the video's description. Confirm it. Also delete this background layer because we don't need it anymore. Now create a gradient adjustment layer on top of it. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. Click here to edit it. Select this slider and decrease its brightness. Hit OK. Change its style to radial. Increase its scale to about 300. Check the reverse option and then hit OK. Also change its blend mode to soft light. Now select both layers. Press Ctrl G to put them in a group and rename it background. Next, select the type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type your text. Confirm it. Pick your move tool and press Ctrl A to select the whole canvas. Make sure this layer is active. Click on align horizontal center and align vertical center. It will align the text perfectly into the center. Now press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Convert this layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Drag and drop this metal texture into the Photoshop, resize it, and then confirm it. Right click on it and choose create clipping mask so that it will only limit the layer beneath it. Now right click on this layer and go to blending option. In the layer style menu, click on stroke. Size is 3, position is outside, opacity is 100%, change its fill type from a solid color to a gradient. Click here and select this preset. By the way, you can download this gradient from the comment section. Hit OK. Increase its scale to 150%. Now click on bevel and emboss. Style is stroke emboss. Technique is chisel hard. Depth is 500%. Size is 15. Angle is 45. Altitude is also 45. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. Highlight mode is color dodge. Color is white and opacity is 80%. Shadow mode is multiply. The color is black and the opacity is 80%. Make sure the direction is down. Click on contour. Increase its range to 100%. Click on inner shadow. Blend mode is color dodge. Color is white. Opacity is 30%. Distance is 5 and the size is 10. Click on inner glow. Blend mode is color dodge. Opacity is 25. Color is white. Technique is softer. Source is edge. Choke is 100% and the size is 3. Click on set in. Blend mode is overlay, color is black, opacity is 30%, angle is 40, distance is 10 and the size is 40. Click on outer glow. Blend mode is color dodge, opacity is 50%, the color is white, technique is softer, spread is 10 and the size is 25. Click on drop shadow. Play with these settings to customize it, and you can also add another drop shadow if you want to. Hit OK when you are done. Hold Alt key on your keyboard and drag this layer down to duplicate it. Remove all of these effects from it because we don't need it. Now in order to create this kind of customizable long shadow, we will be using a free Photoshop action. With the help of this action, you can create a realistic long shadow with just one click. And you can download this action absolutely for free. The download link will be in the comment section. Once you download it, open the zip file and double click on the action. Photoshop will automatically install it. Now go to Windows and choose action. And there we have. Make sure this layer is active. Open this group, select the action and play it. Click on continue button. And now you can change the direction of the shadow. Let's try 45. Also delete this layer because we don't need it anymore. Drop down the opacity of shadow to 80%. Now select the top layer and drag and drop this image into the Photoshop. Resize it, change its blend mode to linear dodge add, and then confirm it. Also drop down its fill to 70% and move it to the right side. Same thing with this one. Resize it, change its blend mode, confirm it, and drop down its opacity. Also move it to the left side. Now the last thing that we need to do is to create a color lookup adjustment layer. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. Change its opacity to 30%. And now it is done. Now you can edit the text and you can also use your logo. Just double click on this layer, it will open another document. And here you can edit the text or use your logo. Just drag and drop your logo right here. Resize it. Confirm it. Disable the old one. Close this document and save it. And Photoshop will update everything. Let's align the lens flare into its place. You can change the direction of shadow anytime you want. All you need to do is to go to Layer, Layer Style, and choose Global Light. And from here you can change its direction. So that's it guys, now it is done. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post any video just like this one. I will be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.